Hi, I'm John with badcredit.org. Getting a credit card to rebuild your credit usually means you have to deal with an upfront security deposit or bare bones cards with no perks, but there might actually be a better option. Today, we're covering the OneMain BrightWay Card, which stands out as an unsecured credit card that offers cash back and an actual real path to better terms. But before we dive into the mechanics, I do want to mention that we have a full in-depth written review of this card on badcredit.org. So if you want all the specifics on the fee structures and how it compares with other options on the market, I'll drop that link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Our review found that this card's absolute biggest highlight is how it actively rewards you for building good financial habits through its Milestone Benefits Program. Here's how it works. After you make 6 consecutive on-time payments, you hit what's called a milestone event. From there, the card lets you choose your own reward, either a higher credit limit or a permanent reduction on your interest rate by up to 0.5%. And if you stack up 4 of those milestone events, you can graduate to the premium BrightWay Plus card, which has no annual fee. Another bonus is that you earn unlimited 1% cash back on all of your everyday purchases. Now, it's rare for an unsecured card designed for people with subprime credit to offer cash back, much less on all purchases. Plus, you can check if you pre-qualify on the site with just a soft credit pull, so there's zero impact on your credit score just to see your options. Now, because this card is built specifically for people looking for a financial second chance, there are some costs to keep in mind. Our review points out that depending on your credit profile, this card carries an annual fee ranging from nothing up to $89 a year. You also need to be highly strategic with the interest rate. The fixed purchase APR is very high, and if you carry a balance from month to month, that interest will instantly wipe out any cash back you're earning. But if you use it for modest everyday items like gas or groceries and pay your balance in full every single month, you can completely bypass that interest rate. And if you pay your bill on time for 2 years, you can actually upgrade to a no-fee card. So there are ways to get around the drawbacks of this card. So is the OneMain BrightWay Card the right choice for you? Well, if you want an unsecured card that rewards your progress and gives you a clear, structured path to upgrading, it is one of the best options out there. If you think of it as a tool, use it responsibly, and pay your statement balance on time, you could dramatically improve your credit and graduate to a better card in 2 years or less. That's a pretty steady timeline, and the OneMain BrightWay Card makes it doable. Now, to see our full review of the card, which includes more benefits and drawbacks, click the link in our description to read it at badcredit.org. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more straightforward product reviews and expert credit advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.